Okay, so this is recording that we just made that we're going to edit. Do we know the total length of the recording is 112.2. What we need to establish is when that information that needs blurring out appears. Now you'll hear some of my dialogue on the previous part of the tutorial, but what we're going to do is start it sort of part way up and see exactly what time. Okay, play and see what time it appears. Okay, now doing it this way you don't actually hear the over voice, so I'm going to go back a little bit and we can see by looking up at the screen, there it goes, it's 42.8 when the text first appears that we want to hide. So if we move this cursor at the left up to 42.8, we can do it manually like this, or alternatively, let's go back again, we can have 42.8 there, and then we press S to move the slider to that position. You can get this information from where you press edit recording and it tells you the keyboard shortcuts down there. Now we want to finish at the end of the first original video we did, which is 30 seconds duration. So what we now need to do is to edit this particular setup here. So I go back a second, and then now that I've got that area marked, I want to edit the recording, and press add overlay and press start. This gives us the options we can do, and the one we want is a blur overlay, so we click that. That appears where it's down, sorry, it's down here, so that clears on the bottom. Blur overlay, that's the blur overlay there. So we click on that, click on the bit we're trying to hide, there we go, click on the bit again and stretch it out to cover that little piece there. We press A, and that is down there at the beginning, which is effectively the animation start, they call it 42.8, that's the starting point, and then we click on the end again, which is the end of that 30 seconds or so that we had, and click A again, click off the arrow, click A again there, and that's hidden it all for that period of time. So we can then click done, and then if we're watching the videos, we go back now to the original video, there's nothing there, we get up to here, move it along, move the cursor along, get up to here. As we start to type the numbers in there, you can see where the cursor goes, but the blur comes on straight away and lasts for the duration. So it's simply a matter of moving these two bars left and right, and then clicking on the edit tool that you need to use to do the blur in the middle. Okay, I hope that made it a little bit easier to follow. Thank you.